Images showing the DJI's long-rumored 360-degree action camera has emerged online. Sporting a design similar to the GoPro Max, the DJI Osmo 360 borrows a few elements from DJI other cameras like the recent Action 5 Pro. It is looking very weird. To recap, the Osmo 360 was spotted in testing footage a few days after GoPro refreshed the Max with 2025 edition. While the GoPro Max brings little new to the table, the Insta360 X5 added new software and hardware features over the older Insta360 X4. Ultimately, very little is known about the Osmo 360 beyond its appearance at the FCC in October. Somehow, a leaker who posts on X with the name of Hakasushi has uncovered numerous testing photos from the certification process. The same account has published screenshots of the camera user manual that mention features like touchscreen display, compatibility with DJI Mimo app, and the presence of a 1950 mAh battery. Incidentally, this is the battery which they use in the recent Osmo Action cameras, including the last year's Osmo Action 5 Pro. Overall, the design looks like DJI's attempt at recreating the GoPro Max. According to Jasper Allens, no evidence has emerged via resellers yet. Likewise, he reports that none of the sources have received Osmo 360 prototype. As a result, he implies there is a chance that it will only be available in China because of the new US-Chinese tariff war going.